The fascinating world of ants. Ants, those tiny creatures we often overlook, have a remarkable story to tell. These industrious insects have been a part of our planet's history for over 100 million years, coexisting with mighty dinosaurs. The total biomass of all ants on Earth is astonishingly comparable to that of all human beings, despite their small size. This incredible fact highlights the sheer number of ants inhabiting our planet. Researchers estimate there are approximately 20 quadrillion ants across the globe, outnumbering humans by a large margin. Ants belong to the family Formicidae and are closely related to bees and wasps. With over 12,000 known species, they exhibit a stunning array of sizes, colors, and behaviors. These adaptable creatures can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Ants are social insects, residing in colonies that can vary from a few individuals to millions. Army ants manage some of the largest colonies, housing several million ants. They communicate using chemical signals called pheromones and excel at lifting and carrying objects much heavier than themselves. Within the colony, there's a clear division of labor, with specific roles for workers, soldiers, and the queen. Feeding and ecosystem role. Ants are omnivores, consuming a wide range of foods, including insects, nectar, seeds, and even fungi. They play a vital role in nutrient cycling by scavenging and decomposing organic matter. Additionally, ants are crucial in seed dispersal by collecting and burying seeds, aiding in the growth of various plant species. From the tiniest ant species measuring just 0.8 millimeters to the formidable bullet ant exceeding 1 inch in length, ants display a diverse range of adaptations. Some have powerful jaws or stingers for defense, while others, like harvester ants, are known for their impressive seed-collecting abilities. Weaver ants use silk produced by their larvae to construct nests, while leafcutter ants can defoliate entire trees. Their adaptability allows them to thrive in various environments, from deserts to forests. Ants are not just creatures of biology but also symbols in literature, fables, and proverbs. They represent hard work and cooperation in many cultures, as seen in Aesop's fable The Ant and the Grasshopper. Scientifically, ants have been subjects of extensive research, shedding light on social structures, hierarchies, and collective behaviors within colonies. Their ability to collectively solve complex problems has captivated researchers and led to the concept of hive minds. Ant predators and survival strategies. Ants are both predators and prey. While they are hunted by animals like anteaters and birds, they are formidable predators themselves, with army ants launching massive group attacks on prey. Some insects and spiders mimic ants to avoid predation. Ants have developed various survival strategies, including camouflage and mimicry, to thrive in their respective environments. Ant farms and education. Ants are also used as educational tools, teaching children about teamwork and problem solving. Observing ants in action provides valuable insights into their collective behavior and problem-solving skills. In summary, the world of ants is a fascinating one, full of diversity, adaptability, and ecological importance. These tiny creatures have made a significant impact on our planet's ecosystems and continue to intrigue scientists and storytellers alike. Some are known for their aggressive behavior, like army ants, while others are peaceful. They exhibit division of labor within the colony, with different roles for workers, soldiers, and the queen. The queen ant's primary role is to lay eggs, and she can live for many years. Male ants, called drones, have the sole purpose of mating with the queen. Ants exhibit impressive problem-solving abilities as a group. Some ants farm fungus for food, while others keep aphids as livestock. Ants can navigate using visual cues, sun orientation, and counting their steps. Many ant species construct elaborate underground nests or build nests in trees. And known for their efficient tunnel building skills. Leafcutter ants cut and transport leaves to cultivate fungus gardens. Army ants engage in mass migrations in search of prey. And engage in mutualistic relationships with certain plants and other insects. Some ants are nomadic, moving their nests frequently. Their colonies may have multiple queens, depending on the species. And it can be territorial and engage in battles with neighboring colonies. Ants are omnivores, feeding on a variety of foods, including insects, nectar, seeds, and even fungi. They have specialized mouth parts for chewing and ingesting food. And often forage in organized lines, leaving scent trails for others to follow. Some ants are scavengers, while others are skilled hunters. Certain ants are attracted to sweet substances, while others prefer protein-rich food. Ants are crucial in ecosystem nutrient cycling by scavenging and decomposing organic matter. They play a significant role in seed dispersal by collecting and burying seeds. The smallest ant species measures around 0.8 millimeters in length. The largest ant species, the bullet ant, can exceed 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, in length. Ants come in various colors and patterns, depending on the species. Some ants have adaptations, like powerful jaws or stingers, for defense. Harvester ants are known for their impressive seed-collecting abilities. Weaver ants use silk produced by their larvae to build nests. Leafcutter ants can defoliate entire trees. Driver ants have large, powerful mandibles used in hunting. Ants and environment. Ants contribute to soil aeration through their tunneling activities. They are important in seed dispersal and plant pollination. Certain ant species are used in biological pest control to manage insect populations. Ants are indicators of environmental health and biodiversity. Ants undergo complete metamorphosis with egg, larva, pupa, and adult stages. Larvae are cared for and fed by worker ants. Pupae are encased in silk cocoons spun by worker ants. The time it takes for an ant to develop from egg to adult varies by species. Worker ants have a relatively short lifespan, while queens can live for years. The defense mechanisms of ants: they use their strong jaws or stingers to defend against predators. Some ants, like bullet ants, have extremely painful stings. Army ants rely on their massive numbers for protection. Ants reproduce through sexual reproduction. Mating often occurs during nuptial flights, where virgin queens and males take to the air. After mating, the male ants die, and the queens shed their wings. A fertilized queen starts a new colony by digging a nest and laying eggs. Worker ants emerge from the eggs, and the colony grows from there. Ants have evolved a wide range of adaptations to survive in various environments. Some ants are adapted to desert conditions and can withstand extreme heat. Others, like driver ants, are adapted to forest environments. Ants are often used as symbols in literature, fables, and proverbs. The concept of hard work and cooperation is associated with ants in many cultures. Aesop's fable, The Ant and the Grasshopper, illustrates the value of hard work. Ants can become household pests when they invade homes in search of food. Control methods include baits, traps, and insecticides. invasive ant species can disrupt ecosystems and threaten native wildlife. Fossils of ancient ants have been found, dating back tens of millions of years. These fossils provide insights into the evolution of ants. Ants have been the subjects of extensive scientific research. Studies on ant behavior have revealed valuable insights into social insects. Ant colonies exhibit remarkable social structures and hierarchies. Different ant castes have specific roles, such as foraging, nursing, or defending. The queen ant is the reproductive center of the colony. Worker ants are sterile females responsible for most colony activities. Some worker ants are specialized for specific tasks, like soldier ants. Ants use chemical signals to differentiate between nestmates and intruders. Ant colonies are often described as superorganisms due to their coordinated actions. They can collectively solve complex problems. The hive mind of ant colonies is a subject of scientific fascination. Ant predators and prey. Ants are prey for various animals, including anteaters and birds. Some ants are predators themselves, hunting other insects for food. Army ants are formidable predators that launch massive group attacks on prey. Some insects and spiders mimic ants to avoid predation. Ant bites can vary from mildly irritating to painful, depending on the species. Fire ant stings can cause severe allergic reactions in some individuals. Leafcutter ants cultivate fungus for food, a form of agriculture. They cut leaves and use them as a substrate for fungal gardens. The ants feed on the fungus, and the fungus benefits from the ants' waste. Ants use the position of the sun and polarized light patterns to navigate. They can return to their nest even after foraging long distances. Some ant species form mutualistic relationships with other organisms. Acacia ants protect acacia trees in exchange for food and shelter. Aphids produce honeydew, which ants collect and protect the aphids in return. Ants have developed various survival strategies, including camouflage. Camponitus saundersi ants have evolved to resemble larger ants as a defense mechanism. Some ants have evolved to mimic other insects, such as spiders or wasps. This mimicry helps them avoid predation. Ant farms are used as educational tools to teach children about ant behavior. Observing ants can provide insights into teamwork and problem solving. Ants are subjects of scientific studies on swarm intelligence and collective behavior.